Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Open your book, page number 11. Provinces and administrative areas of Pakistan. The federal capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. In addition to the Islamabad capital territory and the federally administrated tribal areas, FATA, Pakistan has four provinces: Balochistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Punjab, and Sindh. Gilgit-Baltistan is also a federally administrative area. सबसे पहले हमारे पास है पंजाब. Punjab is the second largest and the most populated province of Pakistan. It is called the land of rivers as 4 or 5 major rivers including the river Indus follow through it. Agriculture is River Indus follow through it. Agriculture is the main component of Punjab's economy. Cash crops such as wheat, sugar cane, and rice are grown. Mangoes and oranges are also grown on the large scale. Shisham, eucalyptus, pipal, and many other trees commonly grown there. Changamanga is man-made forest, and Lal Sahara River forest are also in Punjab. Punjab is also the most urbanist and industrial province of Pakistan. Now, page number 12. The capital of Punjab is Lahore. It is the largest city in Punjab and the second most populous city in Pakistan. It is the cosmopolitan city full of culture. Tourists come to visit famous sites of such as Bachai Mosque, Lahore Fort, Minar-e-Pakistan, and Shalimar Garden. The people speak Punjabi, Pothwari, and Seraiki languages, among others. The traditional foods are pulao, sarson ka saag, and makki ki roti. Luti and Bhangra are the traditional folk dances of Punjab. Kabaddi is the traditional sports and is very popular, especially in villages. The traditional dress is tehmat, kurta, pakri, and khussa for males. The people have great respect for Sufi saints and visit their shrines such as Baba Bulle Shah, Khwaja Ghulam Farid Waris Shah, and Hazrat Tata Ganj Baksh Ali Hajweri. Now, Sindh. The provincial capital of Sindh is Karachi. It is the largest city and port of Pakistan. Sindhi is the main language spoken in this province. The landscape of Sindh consists of lower Indus Plains and Thar Desert. And page number 13, the Indus Delta. The Indus Delta to the south of Karachi flows into the Arabian Sea. The coastline with sandy beaches, little bays, and inlets is a popular place for relaxing. Trees like Kikar, mulberry, and shisham grows in Sindh. There are also coastline forests called mangroves, which are rich in marine life. Sindh has the largest mangoes and banana farms in Pakistan. It grows wheat, rice, cotton, and sugarcane. Biryani, pala fish, and bhaji are the traditional dishes of Sindh. The Museum of Quaid-e-Azam is in Karachi. The architectural site of Mohenjo-daro is in the Sindh. The traditional dance are Ho Jamalo and Jhumro, and the traditional sports is Malakro. Sindhi topi and ajrak distinguish their dress from other provinces. The Shireen of Shah Abdul Latif Bhatai, Lal Shehbaz Qalandar, and Abdullah Shah Ghazi hold a huge importance for the people. Page number 14, Balochistan. The capital of Balochistan is Quetta, which is also the largest city. It has one extremely dry desert climate. There is very little vegetation. However, fruit trees like apple, peaches, grapes, cherry, almonds, pomegranate, and plums grow very well in some areas. Juniper, alpine, and coniferous forest grow here. It has vast natural resources, especially natural gas, which is supplied to the rest of the country. The newly developed Gwadar port, which is the significant port of the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor (CPEC), is in the south of the Balochistan. Quaid-e-Azam spent his last days of his life in his residence in Ziyarat, Balochistan. The Shireen of Baba Kharwari is also in Ziyarat. The people speak many languages including Balochi, Pashto, Brahmi and Persian. Their traditional cuisine is saji. The Sibi Mela, a livestock fair, is held each year in Sibi. People from all over Pakistan visit this fair. The traditional dance are chap, leva, and jhumar. The traditional sports are chokji and horse racing. The men wear loose kameez and bhagi shalwar with turbans, while the women wear embroidered frock type shirts, shalwars, and chadars. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is the third most populated province of Pakistan. Peshawar is the capital city. The people speak many different languages including Pashto, Hazara, Chitrali, Hindko, and Kohistani. It has dense alpine and coniferous forest, fruits such as apple and apricot, and nuts and seeds such as almonds, walnuts, and pine nuts grown there. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa has many famous tourist destinations such as town of Naran and valleys of Kagan and Kalam, Shandur Pass, and the Sikhi resort of Malam Jabba. It has a wealth of natural resources such as marble and precious stones. It has very little agricultural land, but page number 15. Maize, millet, barley, rice, sugarcane, and tobacco are grown here. The traditional cuisine is chapli kebab. Khatak dance and atan are the traditional folk dances of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. The Shireen of Rahman Baba and Hazrat Khwaja Kaka Sahab are in this province. The traditional sports in Makkah, archery, Peshawari chappal, and the Pakol caps are distinguishing items of the province traditional clothing. यहाँ पे जो है वो आपका चैप्टर मुकम्मल होता है। अगर आपको किसी किस्म का सवाल करना है तो वो आप जो है वो सर सैयद यानी सर के ऑफिशियल नंबर पर रब्ता कर सकते हैं। ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़।